Must be packages for that though. We got that one dropped off. I just got a $4 order. It's going a mile down the road, guys. I took it. I can't keep doing these $4 orders back to back. I need something better. That one was $5. This one $4. The other one was only $6.25.
You're broke!
Matter of fact, I did two $6 orders. Let me get some 9s, some 10s. Come on. At least we ain't gotta travel no crazy distance. Just going to hop and skip right up here. Matter of fact, I think right across the street on the other side is Subway. Look at this. $13, 7 miles.
You're broke!
At Granite City. Then we got another $13 for 8 miles at Granite City. Those the kind of shopping orders I stay far away from. I don't know how many items on there, and I really don't care. But man, I cannot do. I need my shopping orders to be fire.
You're
And then the biggest thing, like, this ain't even the Walmart I'm closest to. This Walmart is a good 12 miles away. So add 12 miles on top of this mileage. And then look at the payout. Absolutely disrespectful right there. You see it. We are at an elementary school. These Doordash customers, something is really wrong with them. They gonna select hand to me. They at a school, knowing good and well you gotta wait.
Really, nigga?
Can't even just leave it with security. Can't even just leave it at the front door and take a picture, because guess what? I get to wait 5 minutes, and this customer probably tipped $1, maybe $2. This. You know what? I'm glad I took this, because now it's gonna remind me the next time I see a $4 order, don't take it, because this is the reason you don't take $4 orders. Now, if this order would have been $6, it would have been worth my time. But me trying to, keep the wheels rolling, do another order real quick. Now I'm finna be sitting here for 5 minutes, because I'm not finna go out here and wait in front of this door for 5 minutes, and then I still gotta go into Dasher support, open up the camera from there and take a picture. Like, I'm finna just wait the whole 5 minutes right here. These people was not there, ready to go. Like, bruh, this is why I hate delivering to schools, and this is why I hate no-tip customers, because they so inconsiderate. Yes, couldn't even afford the damn food to begin with. Let me see how much this shit costs. This shit costs $12.50. Broke ass. The DoorDash subtotal, $7.08. DoorDash delivery fee, $3. Dasher tip, $2.56. Service fee, $1.53. So this person tipped $2.56. That shit is not enough. To be making somebody wait, come to a school? Hell no, that ain't enough. These people be tripping. These people be straight tripping. And they done got 1,600 rewards points for this order. They got 48 points. Jesus Christ, this is crazy. They got me sitting here reading their points, seeing how much the subtotal is. This is why I shouldn't have picked up no damn $4 order. It's my own fault. It's my own fault. Look at this on Spark. Them $13 orders went up by $1. Got a $15 for 7 miles at Home Depot. $29 for 13 at Wood River. That's about 17 miles away, so that's a 30-mile trip. Look at this. This is absolutely crazy. We've been waiting 2 minutes. I still got 2.5 more minutes to go, man. This is crazy. Gotta love them hand-to-me customers.